Guys, so today welcome to the channel. Today we have a 180i bubble in. We're gonna be doing a full rebuild on this car, frame bangers with welding innovations. Alright. So yeah guys, stay tuned for updates. You can see there 180i cluster. Unfortunately I don't have the twin cam seats, but the interior, panel clip removers to remove the panels. Yeah, so our main focus today is to strip the inside of the car, get it ready to send the interior away to the upholsterers. Guys, sorry, I said we're taking out the whole interior, but we're just taking out the seats, the door panels. As you can see, the seats are out as well as the door panels. Yeah, because those are the only things that are going for upholstery. And then over here you can see we have a holder for all the bolts that we stripped everywhere on the car. Alright, so that we don't get confused of what goes where, so each bolt must go back on its place. Bumper removed, drums removed, tow bar removed. Right, next to remove the tapered cover and the intake. Let's go have a look over here. $180i fancy ma up.
And I fall in love with you all over again. Ooh, you're the light that feeds the sun.
guys, that's the wrap for today. We finished off stripping the inside, the seats, the door panels, took off the rear bumper, the tow bar, tapered cover, intake, drums, brakes, calipers. So yeah.